How to fix your temporarily blocked error on Facebook. So first things first, the reason why you are actually receiving this kind of error message is maybe because you have violated the Facebook's community standard. But if you didn't do anything wrong, like maybe unusual or suspicious activities that like sharing photos or a post on Facebook, what you want to do is to report this kind of issue. Access your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Go into your profile picture, scroll all the way down, and then go to Help and Support. Now choose on Report a problem. Scroll down again and choose on Continue to report a problem. Now, Facebook will provide you a specific ticket number, but from the specific field right here that says technical problem, just simply choose on Don't Include. Now, from the product menu, just simply choose on Pages, and this is where you can upload any screenshot you took or maybe a screen recording that you took as well, and then just simply describe the issue. And that is how you fixed your temporarily blocked error on Facebook.